The Green Menace, Plant Thug, the vine that ate the South, the vine that ate Professor Pringle. We'll let you decide.
Formerly known as Pueraria montana, or Kudzu, this invasive species has the ability to take over everything stationary in its path, from trees to telephone poles to abandoned buildings. But it has not always been considered a menace. Brought over in 1876 from Japan, Kudzu was originally displayed as a decorative plant and low-cost cattle feed. Kudzu's value as a soil conservation tool was soon realized, and the U.S. government began distributing and planting millions of kudzu seeds all over the South to offset the severe erosion caused by decades of cotton production. By the 1950s, however, kudzu was outgrowing everything around it, and alarm bells started to ring.
So, what makes kudzu so bad?
Kudzu is a fast-growing vine that is spread at a rate of 150,000 acres annually. Kudzu is so successful because it fixes nitrogen, which is usually a limiting nutrient. It has an extensive root system, and it allocates fewer resources to repair damage. These growth characteristics allow kudzu to outcompete other plant species for resources like light. In addition, kudzu has fewer natural predators and barriers to expansion, which gives it a distinct advantage over native plants. All of these factors have contributed to kudzu's rapid population expansion across the U.S.
I still don't get it. Why is kudzu so bad?
As an invasive species, kudzu disturbs the natural ecosystem. It emits pollutants into the atmosphere and acts as a host for dangerous insects. It suffocates other plant species with its weight and reduces species biodiversity, creating gaps in the region's food chain. These environmental impacts can have significant economic effects on crop production, land use, and tourism.
So, kudzu is bad, but why should I care?
Because kudzu's already eaten the South, and it's quickly consuming the Northeast. It has already reached Delaware, Pennsylvania, New York, and, most importantly for us, New Jersey. Right now, cold New Jersey winters kill the kudzu vines and slow down the species spread. But as climate change increases seasonal temperatures in New Jersey, this natural protection against its spread will be gone.
Okay, I care. What can be done about it?
Many things. The crown of the root and the vines can be mowed to slow down regrowth and deplete reserves. To kill the plant completely, use herbicides. And finally, animal grazing, like goats and sheep, is effective at clearing large patches of kudzu vines at rates of an acre per day. The U.S. government is currently exploring other options to control kudzu, such as introducing control agents like fungi diseases and beetles.
But what can I do personally?
You can help by educating others and spreading awareness about the dangers of kudzu and other invasive species. You can also learn how to identify kudzu and contact the Invading Species Hotline, 1-800-563-7711, if you spot it growing anywhere.
Wait, I see some there.